Hi there, students. Guerrilla. Okay, a guerrilla is a noun. You can also use it as an adjective as well. And notice, it sounds exactly like the animal. And when I was a kid, this word gorilla came on the news, and I thought, gorilla, I don't understand. Okay, let's see. A guerrilla is a member of a military group, an unofficial one, normally that wants to change or overthrow the government. But they make sudden, unexpected attacks on the army or on the police. So, for example, typical guerrilla groups would be, for example, the Sandinistas in Nicaragua, or the Contras as well, or maybe Sendero Luminoso, the Shining Path in Peru, or FARC in Chile. Sorry, in Colombia. My bad. Okay, so uh, a guerrilla war, for example. These are normally small independent groups that make sudden attacks in an impromptu way, yeah, on the powers that be, the people in charge. I think if you're a guerrilla, it depends if you're on the winning side or on the losing side, because then you become a freedom fighter if you win. Okay, so let's see, guerrilla. You can also use this adjective to mean to do something impromptu and normally without authorization. So, for example, you can have guerrilla gardening. This is growing plants without permission on land that doesn't belong to you, or on public land. Yeah, and you want to just improve the environment, or to make vegetables that people can enjoy. You've got the phrase guerrilla marketing. These are unusual marketing methods that normally cost very little in a public place. So, for example, a flash mob. A flash mob is a group of people who suddenly appear in a place and do some sort of scene. Very often they dance. Yeah, that would be a good method of guerrilla marketing. Okay, so yes, your guerrilla, the original meaning is a revolutionary. Yeah, it does sound exactly like the animal, but it's spelt very, very differently. As to formality, I think I would give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use this word just about anywhere. And as to the origin, well, it comes from Spanish, from the Spanish word la guerra, which means war, yeah, and the "y" at the end means little, so little war. This word was first coined during the Peninsular War. This is about the early 1800s, probably 1810, 1809, something like that, where the British and the Spanish and the Portuguese were fighting to throw Napoleon out of Spain. Okay, so guerrilla. Yeah, a guerrilla war, a non-official war carried out by a small independent group using hit-and-run tactics. Yeah, but you can use that as well to talk about something that an impromptu action without permission. Yeah, I like this idea of guerrilla gardening and guerrilla marketing as well. Yeah, just get on the streets and do something interesting. Then you make a video of it and upload it to YouTube, and you've got a wonderful piece of guerrilla marketing. Okay, so yeah, a guerrilla, a countable noun, or use it as an adjective as well. Okay, so an interesting word. So when you hear this word, don't confuse it with the large simian, yeah, who is a very interesting animal. It's spelt the same, but sorry, it sounds the same, but it's spelt completely differently. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Guerrilla.